gonna switch this up.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nandini, and today I'm going to be doing something little bit different. So, well, it's not completely different, it's still related to books, but it is kind of different. So, what I'm going to be doing today is explaining chapters of my book. That's right, I started writing this fan fiction around a month or something ago as a joke, but like it's not a joke anymore. I take it way too much seriously than I should. So I am planning to finish it up and then probably get it published, and then not write a fan fiction but an actual YA type of book. So it's just a first step, but I am way too much into it. So why not do an explanation video on that? So I'm gonna be explaining today the introduction and the foreword of the chapter. So let's get on with it. So this is the cover of the book. Well, I don't know for how long this is going to be the cover of the book, but this is for now. And if I find some like better cover, or if I have that good ability to make a better cover of the book, I will change it probably. So yeah, the book is called Till Stars Stop Shining, and don't ask me how I came up with this name, but because I don't even know myself. The thing is that I want this name to be like, not the name, but this line, Till Stars Stop Shining, to be the it line between two of the main characters. So yeah, this is what I thought, like I'll always be there for you till stars stop shining, something like that. So this is how I came up with the name. So this book is oh God. So this book is a One Direction fan fiction, because most of you might know that I am a crazy maniac lunatic person about One Direction, and they mean a lot to me. So I thought, why not take a first step with them? So this is mainly about those 5 people. I'm like talking as if they're my best friends, but whatever, they kind of are in my imagination. That's it, nowhere else. So yeah, it's about those guys and my main character, who is Miley Claire Evans from London, Britain, and she is 17 years old. A character overview is like, she is a complete nerd, and her whole life revolves around music and books, like kind of like me. And she is bullied, like not seriously bullied, but she is that kind of person who is too much into her own world, and she practically doesn't care about anything else, and she just stays alone in school, and everywhere she goes she's just like almost alone, but she's a really good person at heart, and she's really kind and stuff. But if you get to know her, she'll be really sassy, really savage. She'll be the best friend forever kind of person. But that's what the thing is, people don't really like her, for just because people think she's a nerd, so people don't like her, and they like to stay away from her. And she has a bully whose name is Cassie. So at school, as she's in high school obviously, so her bully Cassie, she keeps bullying her, like that's what bullies do. So the beating and all this kind of thing that happens to her. Now another character is Olivia Lily Evans. So Olivia is 13 years old. She is Miley's little sister, and there are a lot of things planned for Olivia also. Like, if any one of you is actually reading this book on Wattpad, so you'll know what is currently going on with Olivia, but I'm not gonna say here, I'll just go chapter wise. So she's also a really, you can say that she is way more fun and way more different than Miley. She is that one crazy, sassy person. Like, she doesn't need to be your friend for so long to open up. She'll just open up within a minute, and actually anybody can click with her. She is so open and she is really good. So yeah, everybody's almost really good in this book. There's no evil character, but I'm planning to introduce some. So yeah, Miley and Olivia, they live with their parents in London, and I'll just like, if you want to see what Miley looks like, here's a picture. This is Miley Evans, and for Olivia, this is Olivia. And if you're wondering how I came up with these names, so like, at the time I started writing this book, I was rewatching Hannah Montana for millionth time, and I sort of came up with, like, since the main characters are Miley and Lily, so this is what I did: Miley Claire Evans and Olivia Lily Evans. So this is how came. Then Olivia Rodrigo is my favorite since Bizaardvark, so that's how Olivia came up. And yeah, that's it. And then Evans, I don't know how Evans came up, but I really like that surname, so that's how I came up with Evans. So that's it. And if you couldn't tell by now, I'm too much into Disney shows and stuff, so most of the inspiration is from that. And yeah, that's it. So now let's get on with an overview. Now, some characters here and there, like, obviously they're really important in real life, but they're like actually side characters, not exactly main in the book. So first character, we have Mr. Harry Edward Styles. It feels so weird saying he's the side character, but I mean, he is the main character in the whole world. But yeah, he's the side character in this book. So this is a picture, and if you're thinking why an old picture of Harry, because this book, it takes place in 2012, when it was only like 2 years since One Direction formed. Like, they formed in 2010, so it'll be just 2 years. So that's why we have a curly headed Harry Styles. So he is one of the side characters. Well, not these characters are not actually side characters, but these are characters who will be there in every single chapter, but not many dialogues, not many stuff. They'll be just sitting on the couch watching Victorious or something. So yeah, next character we have is Liam Payne. This is another old picture, because obviously this is in 2012. So basically, how I'm showing Liam in this book is the typical dad of the group, and Liam will have certain issues with Miley. Well, not exactly issues, but kind of interesting kind of things. So that is it about Liam, and he'll be the mature one, the responsible one, like he is actually in real life. And for Harry, he was the cheeky little monkey of the group. I did not just quote Niall Horan, but whatever. So he'd be the cheeky guy, and not exactly how media portrayed him back in 2012, which you all know how it was. So not completely like that. He will be himself, the deep, sometimes wise Harry Styles. He'll be like that. Then we have Mr. Louis Tomlinson, who is another main character of the book, because the relationship between Louis and Miley will be really different from others. Like, I'm not even going to explain what different is, but yeah, it is going to be different. So Louis in the book will be a 5-year-old at heart, but as you all have seen in the One Direction video diaries, he was always a 5-year-old or a 9-year-old. It does not really change anything. He was always the least mature one in the band. So this is kind of what I'm hoping for Louis to be in the book. And yeah, he will be really wise at times when people need it, and he'll always be there for everyone, which I hope is true in real life because I don't know them so personally. So yeah, this is about Louis. And then we have Zayn Malik. So Zayn will be the mysterious one, like the kind of Zayn we have in real life. But then again, apart from being mysterious and vain, Zayn will also be someone who's really fun, because I know he was very fun and very just fun. All of them were so fun, and so he'll be like that in the book. He will have dialogues, but his main relationship will, obviously he'll be like best friends with Miley, but then there will be a more deeper relationship with Olivia, but not deeper in the romance kind of way, deeper in like a more brother sister way, because obviously he's 19 in the book and she's 13. Does that make sense? So uh, Zayn will be closest to Olivia in that way. Then we have, drum roll please. So we have Niall Horan, who will be main character, another main character, not the side character, but the main character in the book. He will also have a very different relationship with Miley, and yeah. So I'm not even going to explain about Niall, because as I'll go through each and every chapter, I'm just gonna tell. You're just gonna figure it out yourself how Niall is like in the book. He is another cheeky guy. Why am I calling them cheeky? But yeah, he'll be like, he'll be really good in the book, and obviously he'll be good. Everybody is good in the book. He will be the main guy. I'm just repeating the things, but I'm not even going to explain. You will get to know how Niall is in the book as we proceed to many other things. So this is the character overview, and now I'm just gonna tell you how things get started and how everything happens. So if you guys like, if any one of you is planning to read it on Wattpad, the link will be down in description. So before you start, there is a foreword at the beginning. So I'll just get all the pictures here. There will be a foreword, and I have mentioned a certain few things which you should just keep in mind. So I'm just going to read it to you. It is, the first thing is like the story takes place in 2012, which I've already told you. Then the main part is that the story will include 5 Seconds of Summer, which is another band, and these guys, they toured with One Direction in 2012. The complete world tour. Yeah, they were on a world tour. They were the opening act for One Direction. So that's that, and they will be a part of this book. So each and every member of 5 Seconds of Summer, 5 Sauce, will have a different kind of relationship with Miley, same as deep as the One Direction guys have. So I hope you know the 5 Sauce members: Ashton Irwin, Luke Hemmings, Callum Hurd, and Michael Clifford. So these guys will play a prominent role in the book, but they will not be introduced till 20 chapters or something. They'll be in like last 10 chapters of the book 1. So there's that. Then we have, if you're wondering about the ages, then Miley is 17, as I told you, Olivia is 13, and Liam is 19, Harry is 18, Niall is 19, Louis is 20, and Zayn is 19. And one more catch, that 5 Seconds of Summer in 2012 were not like as old as One Direction members. They were, I don't know, 16, 17 or 15. I don't know, there was something around that, but I've changed it a bit. So Luke is 17, as old as Miley. Then Ashton is 19. Michael and Callum both are 18. I have no idea why I've done it like this, but that's how it is. So this is it about the ages, and five sausages will not be the same as I said before. So if you're wondering about the outfit change, it is because it is 2 days after I shot that, because I was too lazy, and yeah, that's the most acceptable excuse you can get. So this is about the forward, and in the next video I'll be discussing about chapter 1 of this book. And yeah, so that's it. And one more thing I want to say before ending the video is that as we grow ahead in the story, there will be many characters that will come, like Eleanor Cadler, then Daniel Fraser, then Perry Edwards from Little Mix, then yeah, these three people will get into the story after 4-5 chapters. But there will be, I just forgot one of the main characters. Well, kind of main character, his name is Alex Wilson. He will be Miley's best friend, like since she is bullied and all, so she doesn't have a really good friend. I mean, not everybody is a friend, but she has this friend from childhood, Alex, and they are both the same ages. So Alex and Miley are best friends forever, and Alex is the only friend Miley has, so that explains him. And he's also 17 years old, and he'll always be there in the story, so you'll see him like really often. So that's about it. And Alex is played by a guy from Girl Meets World, and I'm leaving up to you to guess who Alex could be. Well, anyways, I'll just put up a picture. This is Alex, and yeah, I know you've seen him in Girl Meets World. I am way too much inspired by Disney for this book, but whatever. That's about Alex. And yeah, this is the end of the forward. And so like you can clearly tell that the characters in this book are almost real people out there in the world, but except Alex, Miley and Olivia, everybody is real. And it is basically like mixing fiction with reality kind of thing. So there will be like really small characters, like random people in shops and stuff. So obviously they'll be fictional, but it's basically about 3 people from my imagination, and 7-8 odd people from the real world. And there'll be like many people. If you know One Direction, you'll know Paul Higgins and Simon Cowell. So they will also be there in the book, because yeah, they're related to One Direction. Then there'll be Lou Tisdale, who was the hairstylist for One Direction when they were on tour. So these 3-4 main people from the One Direction crew, which everybody knows, will be there. And yeah, that's about the characters. And yeah, this is the end of the forward, and in the next video, as I said, I'll be discussing chapter 1 and then subsequently all the chapters. And this book will mainly have 30 odd chapters, so yeah, you will not get longer videos after this, because this was obviously my first video after my little 5-month hiatus. Thankfully my 5-month is not equal to years, if you know what I'm saying. And yeah, so this is it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.